Show you how to use Adobe Firefly. Just you have to watch it, follow this video till the end. Open your Adobe Firefly and you have to create an account on it. So after creating an account, it's going to open directly on the homepage. So this is the homepage. As you see, if we click here on this three line, we'll find this window. We can find the homepage, the files, and the gallery. And if you click here, you can find your profile. You can manage your profile and delete your account and sign out from here. And right now, if you want to generate a picture, what we have to do, we go here. There's too many options: text to image, text to video, image to video, or generate file. So we just go here and, for example, we will say I want dog in I don't know, in Egypt. Click generate and then it will generate your image for you. You have 10. So, and the application, guys, is very useful. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.